Super quick basil pesto, let's go! Begin by toasting some pine nuts. Do this by laying them flat on a baking tray and shoving them in the oven that's been preheated to 180 degrees for 5 minutes. Add to a food processor and then pick off the leaves ever so gently or just rip them off once you turn the camera off. Micro-grate the skin of a lemon. This adds a nice pop of freshness to the pesto. Grate in some fresh parmesan cheese or buy the stuff already grated, I don't care. Plop in some garlic cloves that you've peeled, always remember to peel them. Add some white person seasoning and then put the lid on. Does anybody else struggle with putting these things together? No matter how many times I do it, I still struggle. Yep, still struggling. Once you finally get it on, begin to blitz and start pouring olive oil in slowly until it becomes the consistency you're after. I like mine chunkier, but if you want it looser, add more oil. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time.